At first, I would like to say sorry to you if you already sent a message to my WhatsApp number or email ID and still I am not giving you any reply, then really very sorry for that. But don't worry, I promise you, I will give you a reply of your each and every messages. Hope you understand. So let's start today's video. Today I have a beautiful palm to show you which has successful life and lots of foreign travels. This is a palm of one of my subscribers. She wants me to analyze her palm. Also, this palm has lots of positive sign and different combination. That's why I chose this hand to make a video for you. And if you are a new viewer, then do subscribe my channel for instant future videos update. Before starting this video, I would like to tell you that our left hand represent what we had when we were born and right hand represent what we have right now. So everyone that is male or female should look into his right hand for future prediction. Only then we can get the accurate analysis. So let's get started. First positive sign in this palm is palm color and texture. She has red shining and smooth palm. According to palmist, red color palm is very lucky. She gets special mercy of Mahalakshmi. She gets every happiness in her life, respect in society, and may work on high position. She may become angry in small topic. Also, her thoughts do not remain stable. Second important sign is length of the little finger. If we draw a horizontal line from the edge of little finger, then we can see it touch the end of second phalange of ring finger. It means she is Naragan, or you can call Manushyagan person. If you have any questions regarding gun, then don't worry, I will make a separate video on 3 guns, that is Devgan, Manushyagan and Rakshas gun. It will help you to know anyone's nature by seeing his or her little finger. Now come to the topic. Basically, her gun says she works for herself and her own family and relatives belong to her group. Mostly they are self-oriented person. Third positive sign is Jupiter mount. Her Jupiter mount is nicely developed. Jupiter is a very important planet that rules our life and destination. Her Jupiter mount represents that she believes in justice and always represents to help others. She is very spiritual. She does not get disturbed under difficult conditions. There is a prominent cross is present in the Jupiter mount. It indicates that she will have a very happy marriage life. She has the quality to change the public in her favor. Fourth and foremost important things is sun mount. We can see the mount is well developed and pinkish in color. It makes her careful and she always impress others. Her word and action become news. Such individual become famous artist, musician or a painter. She had born with genuine qualities. She is clean-hearted, full of gentle and kindness. You can clearly see the fish sign on the sun mount. Indicates that she owns creativity from the sun mount to achieve fame and wealth. Jennifer Lopez also has fish sign on the sun mount. She is a very popular American singer and actress. Times and Forbes ranked her as the most influential and powerful celebrity in the world. Fifth important line is her heart line. Don't get confused about her heart line. It's not chain line. Actually, it is formed with multiple lines and it ends with a nice curve. Multiple lines give her the power of thinking and boost up her memorizing power. She thinks more than she does, and the curve gives her ability to stay strong in difficult time. Another good sign is her headline. It is almost straight. It makes her a realistic and grounded person. She always believes in the reality. Also an Afkar branch extending towards the heart line cutting the Mount of Jupiter. It indicates great talents and she could stand out among others. Look into her lifeline. It looks like well curved and deep. She lead a good and prosperous life. There are some rising offshoots. They represent period of sudden inspiration and achievement. Little lines rising from lifeline indicate increased power, gain and success. Another noticeable line in this hand is faith line. If we look to her faith line, then we can see it start from the lifeline and going towards the Mercury Mount. People having this kind of faith line are wealthy and well spoken. It shows she have a strong vitality and are full of energy. Her social status could be upgraded quickly with her hard working. Even though there is no great achievement during her life, she could be satisfied and enjoy a happy life. The most and foremost important thing is a big fish sign on the Mount of Moon. If a fish sign is found on the Mount of Moon, indicates the person will get name and fame in the creative field or the career that requires strong imagination. Also, there are high chance of sudden fruitful travel in the early life which will change the fortune of the person. This is my analysis about her palm. If you have any question regarding this palm, then feel free to write down in the comment section below, and please give a like to this video. Your one like can inspire me to bring new videos for you. Thank you.